Welcome to IVDNN's Good Morning World. Today I thought to have a video for you because there are some issues which we have to discuss. Once someone asked me why a hot news like China, India or China, Pakistan is taking place regularly. Why they are not sitting together across the table and settling the problem? Yes, your question is right, and the answer is elaborate. We would like to discuss this problem first today. Please stay with us. India Pakistan or India China problem taken place because China believed that, or China wanted Arunachal Pradesh and some part of northeast or the Ladakh for China because of energy purpose. We will discuss what is energy purpose. The same way, Pakistan demands of Kashmir either independent, which comes under its influence because of religious purpose, or the Kashmir should integrate with Pakistan. Both are against the India's rule. Again, you will ask why? Because there is a reason. The reason is that there is an economical factor for that. You will see that there are a lot of mountains, there is only a lot of rocks there. Why these countries are fighting like this? There is a genuine reason. Please stay with us. The reason is that the earth is going to tilt into a specific angle than the angle it has been running quite 41,000 years. So it is going to complete this period, and once this time is completed, it will tilt into another direction. So once it will tilt into another direction, the entire liquid in the world, it is located wherever it is, in the form of ice, in the form of water, in the form of ocean, in the form of oil, in the form of every natural resources which is in liquid form, will also flow towards the direction the earth is tilted. So it has a lot of economic repercussion. We will see what it does. When the earth will tilt like this, one important thing will happen. The oils, the petroleum deposited or located at present in the Middle East will flow towards the direction where the earth is tilted downward. When the earth is tilted downward, it will be in the direction of India's Punjab Kashmir belt. The Punjab Kashmir belt will become the richest part of oil deposit. So India will become the sole owner of the petroleum or the oil at present. The Middle East nations like Turkey, Saudi Arabia, UAE or Kuwait all are exploring. We will go to India's Kashmir and Ladakh Punjab belt. So India will become the sole owner of this entire oil of the Middle East. If the entire oil of the Middle East will become part of it, India will become rich and India will have a bargaining power. By the time the Middle East countries like Kuwait, UAE, Qatar, Bahrain and all oil exploring countries will become nil. They will not have a single drop of oil in their land. They will become again desert. So these Middle East people in 50 years time will become again a business people. Once upon a time they used to sell, they used to go to the ship, buy the product, sell to the other country, like they will become a business people. By the time the Pakistan and China will get nothing. Why? Because the entire oil deposit is within the boundary of India's Punjab, Kashmir, Rajasthan belt. So the Pakistani scientist knows it, Pakistani authorities knows it, Pakistani military establishment knows it. At the same time, China knows it, PLA knows it, and Chinese planners knows it. So they need a share of that oil. That is why China claims Arunachal Pradesh. That is why Jammu Kashmir, the Pakistan want to be part, to take its part, or it will be an independent nation, so that Pakistan can use that oil free of cost or at a cheap rate. The irony of the drama is that no country want to negotiate, because everyone want this, everyone stick to their point that Arunachal is historically our part. If it is historically our part, China was historically the almost a colony of Japan. Then China should be still be a Japan. India was the colony of a British. Then India should be a colony of a Britain. And again Japan was again a rich and the empire country, should become an empire. And America was ruled by, or America was the land of Red Indians. Then America should again be Red Indians. Instead, all of them have been eliminated, completely eradicated. Okay, so when you go for history, the history will become a big crisis for the existing nations which was formed post Second World War era. History is the only thing China want to tell. Then China was a poor country with which was taken over by, or always have a war with China. Then China should always live like that. Why China is become a developed country now? No one should accept China as like that. And why China is the member of a UN permanent member, it should be thrown out, because Taiwan also, once upon a time, Taiwan is rulers were the rulers of China. Secondly, the Tsars were the rulers of former Soviet Union. It has to go back. So when it comes to history, there is a big problem, because if you go after the history, then China may have a point to come and take over the war. But the time has come. The world is completely isolated China, and Pakistan has been branded as the terroristan. So now time has come. Their objective will not meet. They won't be able to take over anyone's land or anyone's territory using the military anymore. So there is no solution. This border problem with China, Pakistan and India will not be able to settle in next 50 years. So China will keep on coming to the border, and they will keep on claiming some land or the other. Again India will mobilize. It will keep on creating a lot of financial problem for India. And that is the objective of China and Pakistan, because they both of them are being stung. Number two, OROB, border road, which you get to give connection for China, it will be in danger. So China needs assurance from India that India should be a part of it. Otherwise, China will keep on creating the problem. Now, the whole world has united with India, standing behind India, giving them all support. So China diplomatically withdrawn, but it is not a guarantee that China will not come again. China will come again. And one should realize that this is a coercive method or a plan of Chinese authorities to keep India in OROB belt. Otherwise, they know that today or tomorrow, if India will attack or take over the Pak-occupied Kashmir, then what is going to happen is that China will not be able to construct a OROB project, and China will not get access to Arabian Sea. And that is the plan of Modi government. Modi government want to take over Pak-occupied Kashmir to keep China away from creating OROB border. Ladakh we can have a sample or the small rock area, but the most important part India has to take over is or are Ladakh or Aksajin and Pak-occupied Kashmir. These two has to come with India. Otherwise, this oil will go, a part will go to China and Pakistan, and then they will become owner. They will use a snake worm missile, as a snake worm drilling machine, and they will suck even from the Indian border that oil. So this problem there is no question of settling, because their eye is not on the Arunachal Pradesh or Kashmir. Their eye is on the oil which is coming to the Punjab, Kashmir and Rajasthan belt. That India will become the sole owner. They want to be part of it. Secondly, the OROB belt, China need access to Arabian Sea, for which China want India should be the partner of the OROB belt, which India refuses because it is passing through the Pak occupied Kashmir, which is given by Pakistan to China, and that is not acceptable to India. So China, now what is going to happen is that India will take over the Pak occupied Kashmir, Balochistan and other things, and make sure that the border, the road is not going to the road, OROB road will not reach Arabian Sea, and China will be curtailed. So when after that China's Aksajin war has to be started. Right now Aksajin war should not be started. If it is started, you should have started 1 month ago, which is not possible. Now the only way is that the same strategy used by the Russia in Second World War. Wait for the, what is the strategy? Wait for the winter, when winter also will join, like America joined or other countries joined India. Winter will join India to fight the war. That time Chinese army, Chinese military personnel will die like insects, like a German Nazi armies soldiers died in the Russian winter. That is the time they are going to get, we have to fight a war and throw them out even from Aksajin and take over it. That is the only way out. And with this, we are ending today's IVTNN's Good Morning World. We will come with the new programs because last 2 weeks we didn't have a program because there was no subject to discuss with you, and we don't want to post cheap videos on our channel. Secondly, IBTN, International Business Tribune, is in pending because again the world is fighting the corona and there is no economical activities going on to discuss something which is useful, relevant and important for all the audience. So till we come with another video, thank you for watching IVTNN's Good Morning World. Thank you. Have a good day.